Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your My Home app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You come here to manually controls, you just click on it. When you just click on manually controls here, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here enter name. So then here add an action here. Then you just click here on create here. So then here automatically it's going to add video on your home app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching.